Hi guys, so what I'll be showing you guys video animation. Be using the app Bini. It's a paid app, but I'm going to send the patched app to you guys. So here is it. You can import projects, maybe the one you've done already that you saved. You can import them, edit them again. Then also as well can come. Just want to start a new project now. Come here. You can give it any name you want. You can choose without YouTube the format you want at all. Let me just use this. Great. Alright. Okay. Okay. The only difference between this and Easy Sketch Pro, the one on the system, is that Easy Sketch Pro has more features than this. But there's only one thing I much prefer. I like this one more than this Sketch Pro, is that this one there is this voiceover. The voiceover on this one, it is more okay than the Easy Sketch Pro. You can use voiceover. You don't have to use another app. You don't have to use another app for voiceover. You can just do it here. So it's most okay here. So another thing is that it has was all this sticker, video animation, and so on. Like this animation now, it has this, but they are not much like that. I was expecting that maybe. I think someone can you can still add. If you have a file of animation, you can browse a file of animation. The file format has been .json. That's how the file. If you want, you can just search Google animation .json animation file. It just show you for sports, for ads, for anything that you want. They just show you. They show you some website that you get them and can get them to download them. So you can add image, the SVG file, if you have any other SVG file, if you have. So that's that. So let me just do something now. This is our test. I've explained about sticker. And this is BG. Maybe you want to select color, want to change the color of this white to something else. Here's it. You can see that. Or you really want to make what's it called, image to be the background. There is it. For example, you can see that. You see that now. You can see that. Okay. So let me go back to the color. Okay, and you want to make sure there is and there. It has the same thing of and. If you don't want the hand to show, you can also do that. If you want the hand to show, you can also do that. Then maybe you want to add music, voiceover. I like the voiceover than the Easy Sketch Pro. Then any music you want to add, there's click on the music track, or then use voiceover. Then you want to add new slide, is this plus sign. So we are not going to go much longer on this for Beni's, because at least you guys, if you have been able to watch Easy Sketch Pro, you will have been able to know how to use this already. Then make movie, you can just click on make movie. That means you want to save what you did in video, the video animation. Then this one is for the save as project. You want to save this video animation, that you want to save it as project, that later on you want to come back to it and edit it. They will want to be more okay, professional. Yeah, that's that one. Then this one is your preview. Normally we've not done anything yet, so there's nothing to preview. Okay, so right now I'm going to write test. And sorry, before I go on, this app is a paid app, but this I'm going to send the past app to you guys. I'm going to send to you guys. Yeah, no, this is a phone. You can't use your hand to just reduce the size. You have to do it from here. This delay, I want it to delay before it can display. It's a font. Is font. Here's the color. If you want to change the color to something like this, anyone you like. So the size is very change the size instead of just moving it with your hand, because that can't work except you connect mouse to your phone, and it cannot possible, but not for this. Then maybe you want to move the center, want to move by sides. That's what this is for. I don't know the reason it's not moving, but that doesn't really matter. You can just move it with your hand, so it's as easy as that. So this, want to re-edit it or touch it to do, or you want to retype, so that's that. Okay, this, if you want to remove it, this is the remove button, and this one is to make it bounce, flash, pause. If you don't want that hand to make it display, you can see, we can just try it now. Make it bounce. You can see that it bounce. So that's how it works. Okay, let me see. For example, want to put it at default. Default is this, the hand. That's default. But to put easy sketch Pro also has that too. So if you don't want the hand to show, this sketch has that too, that feature. So the same thing with Bini. Alright. Here is copy, duplicate this side. I'm clicking on now is to duplicate. So I'm just trying to show you guys what's all this useful. Alright, welcome. Okay, there's this, and I'll just do it like this. I remove this tool. Start. So I'm just trying to make it with phone stuff. To me, I don't really buy the idea. It's kind of stressful. When you choose video animation on system, it's much easier than phone. Alright. Hello, welcome to. Alright, I want to add image. I've already removed this background. So adding me now, I did not remove this background now. This eye is going to show. Let me remove it first. I want to add back. I want to add image, and I went on to add something like this. Something like this. Okay, here is it. You can see that normally it's still white. I don't want to use is white because it will not know whether the background is removed or not. So I prefer to use something background with another color. Background with another color. I want something simple. Okay, let me say I use this now. See now, there's background here, but I don't want to make use of this. So I can just go to remove BG. Then upload an image. Alright. It's uploading. Now download. Now it's removed. Let me erase this. Let me edit it. This will blur. Coming. To remove this totally. Alright, been able to remove this background. Now what I just have to do is just for me to download it, save it. I think it's saved. It's not saved. Let's check. Okay, here's it. We have it here. Saved. So we go here. Add image. We need to look for a file that was saved. Okay, here is it. So we use this. So normally I'm just making this as an example. So let me remove this. I want to use my picture because that's not really the person within the GM zone. So here is my here's image. Hello, welcome to GM zone. Okay. So I'm not going to go much on this video, but I'll just make sure I use all the features at least. I want to try and make sure I use some things here. Yeah, let me not choose for animation. I will choose this. So this so now is on to add the test GM zone. Insert. Now I want to change the font. I may not like that. I want to change something more better than the other one. Okay, this one is much okay. Maybe I want to add a shape now that talks about GM zone. So this just I just have to increase it, make it big for me. The size it's too big. That's for Philip. All right. All right. Here is goes. Now let me just briefly talk about what's all about Jeb zone. Okay, test. Not good. aim to build the ongoing business and income skill. Aim to build the ongoing business owner and each income skill. Of value and increase company revenue. So to change the fonts, I think this one is okay. So I just have to reduce the size. Is more okay. This is what I will just have to do to make it enter here. Let me first increase this. Alright, then with this, copy it. Okay, insert. Oh, sorry. I want to try and move that one. Making a mistake. And insert. Then to me it's still long. Okay, this is what I would do now. Paste. Then cut it. Then insert. Okay, I think this one should be able. It's not entering. Okay, let me go back. This is how phone challenges as used to be, sure. So you just have to bear it. Okay, insert. I think this one enter. Okay, so enter. Alright, we add another one. Okay, bring it down here. And it's paste. And cut. Then insert. All right, just on that one again. Paste. Then another one again. Don't forget what I'm trying to do. I'm trying just trying to cut and replace those words. I think, yeah, so I'll be able to enter it down. Alright, I'll cut this out. Then insert. Then the last one now. Then insert. So that's it. Wow, you can see that. You cannot swear we arrange them. We arrange them again if you want. Okay, let me do something like this. I want to move this. You can see that. Alright. Now I'm going just going to move all this back. Alright. We're done this. You can see this now. That's how to use Bini. I think we've worked with this. You can add animation. I've already explained about this. You just .json file, browse that. You can make research on that on Google. .json file, animation .json file for earth, sports, business, marketing, and so on and so forth, like that. You can also have what's it, GIF file, GIF file, yeah, GIF file, something like this. You can add them to it. You can add it to it. This also, this. You can also search on. You can search, show image, and you have okay. Certain shapes, animation, drawing, people. You can also download all these too. Like you can also make sure on it. Like just like image, they're all image JPE format. But just that this animation, if you want to get more of this animation, if you want to get more of this animation, this is what you just have to do. You come to this place, animation here. You can use Lotio animation in format of a .json file. So you just have to look on search on Google. You can just make your research on how to get this animation, and you can then maybe later on, maybe if I see any website anywhere whereby you can get this free animation, I can then introduce to you guys later on. So that's that. Very easy to use, very easy to use. You can just play it over here. And the voiceover of this is very, very, very easy to use also. Very, very easy to use. So you can see that. Okay, now for example, let me just voice over, but my screen record will also voice over to it. So let me just use voiceover. Wow, make sure I send the voiceover of this of this video again. Just play it over. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. You can follow me on YouTube as GM Zone. You can follow me on Facebook as GM Zone, and on Instagram as jameszone.car.co, on Twitter as Abiodun Gabriel. So that is that. You can that's how it works. So let me. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. You can follow me on YouTube as GM Zone. You can follow me on Facebook as GM Zone, and on Instagram as jameszone.car.co, on Twitter as Abiodun Gabriel. So that is that. You can that's how it works. So let me. And also, if you want to write on making up in using your slide and slide and slide and slide insert, it's just that what you do and what to do differently is what is going to get is going to try. I'm going to get the attention of your potential customers. So what you do, can add as many as you want. So that's how it works. Alright guys, I'm going to save the project. I'm going to save it as project and also save it as my video animation movie. I don't even know. Is it Bini? So is rendering. So that's how to save it. So that's how you save. Okay, asking you where to put the file. Asking you where to put the file. You can just save it here. You can share or play it now. VSC, anyone you wish. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. You can follow me on YouTube as GM Zone. You can follow me on Facebook as GM Zone, and on Instagram. That's how it works. Thank you guys for taking your time to watch over.